You're probably wondering how we got here. I'll tell you. The reason our speedometers are blurred here, it's actually a camera glitch. Every time we are too below the speed limit, it just doesn't capture the speedo properly, nothing I can do about it. There were actually 8 of us heading to McDonald's Palm Beach at this ride, but again, only 2 of us were actually riding. The rest of them were in cars because, well, I don't know actually why they were in cars. Why would you want to do that? Now Zeus has shown up wearing a tank top, no gloves and sneakers because he has chosen to come here like a GTA 5 NPC. He claims he's the main character. I would urge you not to be the main character if this is what it looks like. Boots and gloves, bare minimum. Jacket, ideally yes, but even I wasn't wearing a jacket here. Probably should have been.
I will try.
Try.
I'm not going to try. Is that one? Oh. I think with some more distance I could have taken you. I think I was catching up like 1 by 1 millimeter. I was catching up, but then I forgot that this bike has 6 gears.
I didn't have my suspension on hard.
Oh no, what will you do now? Oh no, what a tragedy. Oh no.
That was fun.
No, waves came in front. I was like, what the Arey yaar, why are we not at the front for this one? Do you want to wait, Bajuko? Do you want to wait? We'll go, no? My brakes are gone. My brakes are gone, yeah.
What?
They faded.
Only this edge.
Yo, look, I don't know about mine. Oh, okay. Reasonable. Reasonable, yeah. Bro, fun though. Fun, dude.
The Gen 3 Duke 390 has launch control.
We are getting all today.
Huh? Honest.
What?
What a bro, that guy.
That no, in the scenario.
Do the cameras here capture? Do the cameras capture here?
What capture? Yeah, obviously.
Do they?
I saw you, that's why I saw you go past zoom karke.
Even at night?
Huh?
Even at night they
Yeah, obviously.
Am I If you've always wanted a close-up of the 5-inch TFT on the Duke, this is about as close as you're gonna get since Zeus literally headbutted it at this point. That guy. Yeah, keep paying attention to that guy. As you can see, not a great start. Can we just appreciate how well color coordinated I am? I've got a black and white hoodie, a black and white helmet, and a black and white motorcycle. Just the attention to detail. Can we just take a moment and appreciate me for this? Again, pay attention to the white accent. You will notice he's driving extremely recklessly, and I'm surprised he didn't take anybody out, to be quite honest. Now, the two of us took very different approaches here. I fell back a little because I wanted to be as far away from this guy as possible. Zeus sped up because he wanted to confront him and tell him that what he was doing was stupid and to calm it down a little bit. From where I was watching, it looked like the accent would have swiped Zeus across the road at least 2-3 times. The distance between them was not much, and he was literally just wiping across the road, and I was shocked and surprised that nothing happened to Zeus. I was very scared, quite frankly. I sped up a little bit at this point just to, see what's up, what's happening. After several rounds of back and forth between the two, Zeus finally told him to stop. Like, I'm gonna deal with you now. And he was pissed, bro. He was pissed.
I was thinking about my ride. I didn't really want to get into a fight. I'm a very non-confrontational person on the road. I just want to reach my destination safely. Plus the rest of our guys were like at least a few miles behind, not sure where they were. So when I finally showed up from behind and told him to go and not stop and not get into this right now, I'm super happy that he listened. So we just off and went back to the other. Again, Zeus was pissed. Like he would have gotten into it. I didn't want to. We didn't. More SOS originals coming soon, and more of us will be on our bikes then. Stay tuned, subscribe for more. Ride safe and wear gloves.